Solving simultaneous equation in two variables by method of substitution. Now, our equation before us, we have to find the solution set of equation 1. We have x plus y is equals to 7. And then equation 2, we have x minus y is equals to 3. Now, by using substitution method, we have to make one of the variable the subject of the relation. So let's take equation 1 and then make x the subject of the relation. So from equation 1 we have x plus y is equals to 7. To make y the subject of the x the subject of the relation, going to be x. Now already we have 7 here, so we find inverse of positive y, which is negative y. So here the implication is that if x is equal to y minus 7, it means that wherever we see x, we have to substitute 7 minus y. Now our x is equal to 7 minus y. So back to equation 2. We have x minus y is equals to 3. So from equation 2, we have our x minus y is equals to 3. But don't forget, our x is now equals to 7 minus y. So wherever I see my x, I will write, so to respect to this, my x here, I am writing 7 minus y. Don't forget, already there is minus y also there, which is equals to 3. So the next thing is that we have to simplify. So I maintain my 7, negative y will give me negative 2y, and is equals to 3. Now let group like terms. I will maintain my negative 2y, and then 3 will be here. Now positive 7 is here, inverse will be negative 7. Let's simplify. So 2 negative 2y is equals to 3 minus 7 will give me negative 4. So here, how do I get my y? I'll get my y by dividing both sides of the relation by negative 2. So it's going to be negative 2y is equals to negative 4, where negative 2 here divided by negative 2. So when they cancel, my y is equals to positive 2. Now I have my y to be equals to positive 2. The next is to substitute y is equals to 2 into any of the relation that I want. So I will consider equation 1. So from equation 1, I have x plus y is equals to 7. And don't forget that now I am getting my y to be 2. My y is now 2. So wherever I see y, I'll be writing 2. So my x, this is y, so I'll write 2 is equals to 7. Now to group like term is going to be 7. Here is positive, the inverse will be negative. Now my x will also be 5. That is 7 minus 2 will give us 5. 7 minus 2 will give us 5. So I can now conclude that my x is equals to 5, whilst my y is also equals to 2. So before we finally write the true set, let's do the substitution and see if we have done a good job. Now that we know our x and y, now my x is 5, so 5, my y is 2. So 5 plus 2 give me 7. Yes, it has worked for equation 1. Now let's look at equation 2. My my x is 5, my y is 2. So 5 minus 2 will give me 3. Perfect. So it means that we have done a good job. So we can conclude that x, y. He said that my x is 5 and then y is also equals to 2. So this will be my final answer. Thank you. Let's keep learning. The math is getting interesting. Wow.